that snow ratio that Sarah's talking about is going to come into play. Because tomorrow, with temperatures that are a little warmer, we're likely to see some of that wet, sloppy snow instead of light, fluffy snow. The difference is it limits the amount that it accumulates. So that's what we're going to see tomorrow. More on that in a second. 17 was our high during the daytime today. So we were 20 degrees below average for this time of the year. Sun sets in just about 10 minutes, and you can see it gleaming off the downtown skyline right now. It's 18, so we actually are a little warmer than when the daily reading was taken. So 18 is now your high for the day. Feels like 8, though, because of the wind out of the south at 8 miles per hour. These are your D.R. Horton America's Builder current conditions. It's 18 in Delaware and in Marion. Newark and Mount Vernon at 16, Logan at 21. Wind chills into the single digits from Coshocton to Marion to London. Bundle up tonight. The temperatures are going to dip into the single digits during the overnight tonight, and then they're going to start warming up again. Even before the sun comes up, the temperatures will be on the rise, and that's because we have a warm front coming in. That is going to affect how this snow forms and falls. So that's why it'll have a big impact on the amount of snow we get. This evening, temperatures will fall through the teens, and during the night tonight, we'll see wind chills falling below 0. But by 7 o'clock in the morning, those are going to come back up again. So we'll hit the overnight low by about 2 or 3 in the morning, and then it'll start warming up from there. So here we are with an overnight low of 9. It's cloudy. The snow, it's not at the moment, but it will be. The snow will get here during the overnight hours, and we'll deal with some more of that frigid cold. Here is the day tomorrow. 8 in the morning, the warm front is all the way out here. That front is going to actually make its way through the state and create some of these snow showers. As the temperatures get closer and closer to freezing, we're aiming for a high around 31, you'll notice that some of these big wet snowflakes make everything very, very wet. And they kind of squish, so they don't accumulate as much. So the snowfall totals are actually a little lower, but the liquid equivalent is more. But what happens then is everything's wet and it all refreezes. Cold air dives back in here by Thursday night into Friday morning. So the snowfall total's likely to be upwards of a half to maybe an inch, and then a few pockets could get a little bit more than that, but most areas a half inch to an inch. Eastern Ohio, a winter weather advisory through Friday morning in anticipation of some slick spots on the roads. Another round of snow gets here on Saturday. It starts as rain with highs near 38 degrees. We'll do some melting, and then